The Bible says if they do not believe you for the words, at least they should believe you for the works. God is a practical God. God is a God of works. So this video is for people who want a change in their lives. People who can see that whatever situation they're going through has a spiritual connotation. There's an effect that's spiritual, that's causing them not to move to another level, that's causing them maybe to lose that caused them to lose their husbands, that caused their business to go down. If you are sick, if you are mentally ill, if you have problems that you do not understand but you can see, because spiritual attacks have a specific pattern, they have a smell to it. You can tell that this is a spiritual attack, then this video is for you. If you went to a traditional healer and took something, I'm not here to judge, because remember, the children of the Israelites, when they smelted gold and built a calf, the sin that they committed before God was not disobedience. It was worship of idolatry. They had the right idea. They wanted to communicate with God, and they were used to Moses to communicate with God. But Moses at that point was not there. So they created a calf to try and get back to God. So if you have gone around and consulted and taken things that are troubling you, bring them, will help you, will bend them, will deliver you from them. If you and say, come, will help you. So if you need elevation at your workplace, if you are mentally unstable, if you have a relative who's mentally unstable, if you have a sickness that the doctors cannot determine and help you come, this video is for you. So we'll be meeting on the 30th of September in Gauteng for a deliverance session. The title is "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." So as long as you are in want, do not live in a God-fulfilled life. I shall not want. So register there. The number on the WhatsApp number is there on the profile. Register there. The registration for a person is 600 Rand. That includes the food for the day. So click on that link, register on that number, and then when we are done, we'll send the bank details, you send proof of payment, and then we meet on the 30th of September, where gates will be broken, doors will be open, and you'll never be the same again. Come and test